Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths session. Today we are going to see Essay 1 November month examination revision. Part 2. Students, this is the continuation of Part 1. Shall we start the revision? Roman number 1, answer the following. This is 2 mark sums. Question number 1. Write in expanded form. 246. 200 plus 40 plus 6. 570. 500 plus 70 plus 0. Question number 2. Pick out even numbers. Even numbers means the number should end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 112, 131, 156, 170, 186. From this we are going to pick out even numbers. 112, 156, 170 and 186. Question number 3. Write in ascending and descending order. Meter, millimeter, kilometer, then centimeter. Ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller. Kilometer, meter, centimeter, then millimeter. Question number 4. Draw the symmetry for the following figures. You have to draw one symmetry line or one or two. Make the images correct off. So they given first oval. So I can draw two symmetry line. Next they given square. So this also we can draw two symmetry line. Bell. Bell you can draw only one symmetry line. Question number 5. Write the formula. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Question number 6. Read and write the time. You should see the clock and write the time. You can write the time in two ways. So the first clock is showing 4. So 4 o'clock. CLOCK. Otherwise 4.00. The second clock is showing 7. So 7 o'clock. Otherwise 7.00. Question number 7. Write the number of triangle, rectangle and square in given image. So you can see the image and say how many triangles are there, how many rectangles and how many square. Yes, the top of that house only one triangle. Then rectangle we have 2, that is base, then door. Square also 2 windows. Question number 8. Form greatest and smallest number using the digit only once. 3, 8, 0. Greatest number 8, 3, 0. So 830. Smallest number. Smallest number you should not start with 0. So after 0, 3 is there. So 3, 0, 8, 308. Roman number 2, answer the following. This is 3 mark sums. Question number 1. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. 212, 503, 369, then 60. Ascending order. 60, 212, 369, 503. Descending order. 503, 369, 212 and 60. Then question number 2. Write any 3 standard units. Meter. M-E-T-E-R, meter. Centimeter. C-E-N-T-I-M-E-T-E-R, centimeter. Millimeter. M-I-L-L-I-M-E-T-E-R, millimeter. Kilometer. K-I-L-O-M-E-T-E-R, kilometer. Now we are going to move question number 3. Add the following. 46 plus 27. Tens, ones. So while doing addition, we should start from ones place. So 6 plus 7, 13. Write 3 here, 1 carry over to tens place. Move on to tens place. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. So the answer is 73. Then question number 4. Draw abacus for the given number and write the number names. 792. Students, this sum we have to draw abacus as well as you have to write the number names. So first you should draw the abacus. So 3 string, in this 3 strings, first ones place they given 2. So you should draw 2 beads. Tens place they given 9. So you should draw 9 beads. 100 place they given 7. So should draw 7 beads. So 7, 9, 2. 792. Now we have to write the number name. S-E-V-E-N, 7. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. A-N-D, ant. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. T-W-O, 2. Question number 5. Subtract the following. 981 minus 165. So this is also you should write hundreds, tens, ones. While doing subtraction also we should start from ones place. Can you subtract 5 from 1? Can't. We can't subtract. For that what should do? We have to borrow. So in tens place 8 minus 1, 7. Ones place 1, so 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Move on to tens place. 7 minus 6, 1. Move on to 100 place. 9 minus 1, 8. So the answer is 816. Then question number 6. Circle the non-symmetrical shape. That means if you are cut or if you are fold, both the side, both the off should not be equal. That only we call it as non-symmetrical shape. So second one flower, then third one umbrella, then last one van is the non-symmetrical shape. So we have to circle. Question number 7. Draw hands on the clock's face. So students, this sum they will give the time. You have to draw the hands in the clock. First sum they given 5:30. So smaller hand you should draw 5. Bigger hand, that is longer hand, you should draw the 6. Because 6 means 30. Question number 2. 9 o'clock. So smaller hand should face 9. Longer hand should face 12. Third sum 7 o'clock. Smaller hand should face 7. Longer hand should face 12. Question number 8. Write the manufacture date and expiry date of the following items. So here they given the image. You should see the image and you should write the manufacture date and expiry date. So manufacture date 14 February 2011. Expiry date 14 February 2015. Roman number 3. Answer the following. This is 5 mark sums. Draw any 2D shape and 3D shape. So here this is given more. You can draw only 2. 2D shape, square, rectangle, triangle, circle. 3D shape, cuboid, cube, then cylinder. Question number 2. Draw analog and digital clock. Analog clock. So analog clock means what the clock we are using in the home, that we call it as analog clock. So you can draw one circle, then you can write the time whatever you want. Digital clock. Digital clock means you should draw one rectangular box. Inside you should write the time. Question number 3. The following pictures represent the data on fruit shop sold in the shop. So the first they give an apple, then orange, then banana, then pineapple. Look at the above picture and fill the required data. Question number 1. Name the fruit which was sold more. Which fruit sold more, dears? Yes, it is banana. Question number 2. Name the fruit which is sold less. Which fruit sold less, dears? Yes, it is an orange. Question number 3. Find the number of apples sold. Now you count how many apples are there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 apples. Question number 4. Write the number of bananas sold. Now you start counting the bananas. How many bananas they sold? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So 10 bananas. What is the difference in the number of pineapples sold and orange sold? So the pineapple, how much they sold? Yes, they sold 7. Then orange, how many they sold? Yes, they sold 5. So 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is? Yes, 2. Students, whatever portion I have revised, study properly and do your exams very well. Students, you should learn both part 1 and part 2 revisions. Okay, dears, you should write your exam, essay 1 exam in 80 pages small notebook what you used for unit exam. The same notebook you should write now also. Understood, students? So learn part 1 and part 2 revision and write your exam in same 80 pages notebook. Thank you, students.